created this video today to show you in what amazing times we're living in. I managed to quickly clone my voice, and you will see how it's happening. And I can use that now to create podcasts and massively accelerate my content creation with my own voice, like with an AI. So look what I've done. I created an account on ElevenLabs, and then I started to clone my own voice. I used this one, add a new voice, professional voice. So I've already created it. I uploaded some of my previous podcasts, and then within few hours I was ready to use my own voice. So my next step was to create an app that would take my articles and then create a podcast narrative out of those articles, something which is friendly to a voice narration, and then use this ElevenLabs API with my cloned voice and be able to create podcasts. So let's see how it works. Let's make an example. So let's go to my blog. Let's take one of my articles here. Let's take the last one. Okay, let's take the URL and let's put it on this app. Let me show you how it works in the background. So I created an agentic system which goes to the URL, fetches the content, takes only the text out of it, and then passes it to another agent, which is a creative content director, gets the text and creates a narrative about the whole text in a way which is easily readable and nice for a podcast content. And then there is a Q&A. Here it is, the text, it's already created. And then there is like a Q&A checker agent, which checks for any mistakes, spelling mistakes, or for flow in the content, and goes and checks the text and returns the narrative. And then another agent takes this text and creates the speech with my own cloned voice. While we're waiting for this, it takes like a couple of minutes for this to happen. And while we're waiting for this, let's have a quick look at the code. I'm using CrewAI for the agentic framework and Streamlit for the app, like the front end. So I have all my APIs keys here. I have a structure output from the agents to get the narrative for the podcast. Here I'm loading my agents and my tasks. And I have like 3 agents: article fetcher, the one that fetches the article, content creator agent, and quality assurance agent. So I make sure that I have like good output, good narrative for my podcasts. And then I create the tasks. One agent goes to the websites and gets the text, passes it to the create content creator agent and creates the content with the context of the text. And then there is a quality assurance at the end, so we make sure that the text, the narrative is free from mistakes and has good punctuation and gives the output. Okay, so here I create the crew and start running this function. Here is the text-to-speech from the ElevenLabs. Make sure that you use this model when you clone your voice, and you have 2 things here: your voice ID, which you can find it here. It's your voice and the ID here of your own cloned voice. It's already done. Let me finish the code and I will show you quickly. And then you get the output. That's the app. There are like few extra things you can look into, how nice prompts I have made, optimal prompts for the agents and the tasks. Feel free to play with those when you download the code. You can go to GitHub and download it. If you want any help, just let me know. Give me a star on the repository if you like it. And let's have a look. I stop talking right now and let's listen to my own voice.
Welcome to today's discussion on a topic that is increasingly important to HR leaders across industries: the strategic decisions involved in integrating artificial intelligence into recruitment operations. As we dive into this subject, we'll explore key findings and recommendations that harness AI's potential while ensuring a human touch in the recruitment process. Over the next 2 years,
oh my God, I'm listening to my own voice and creating a podcast. Like, this is awesome.
To stay competitive. Companies utilizing AI effectively are achieving up to 40% greater efficiency compared to those who do not.
Okay. Feel free to use it, scale up your content. I think it's an awesome application and a display of what amazing times we're living in. Thank you so much.